Hi, my name is Brooke Luzzi, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about the findings that I found from my usability test for the University of Idaho website. So I did 20 different tasks during the course of this project, and I conducted the students on this test for the usability, and the tasks were made for a prospective student, so a student that has applied and then been admitted, and then just looking at different tasks that would be really useful. So the one that I'm going to do a demonstration of is finding different scholarships. And the reason I picked this is because this is something that is on every student's mind and is definitely a good skill to have. So under the prospective student tab, I'm going to click on the Find Financial Aid link. And then I'm going to be redirected to this page that is titled Scholarship and Costs. So I'm going to scroll down now to find scholarships. As you can see, there are two brackets. One is for undergraduate students, one is for graduate students. And because the student is an undergraduate, I'm going to click on the scholarships for the undergraduate student. So you're going to see on a column on the left that there are many different types of scholarships. The university has broken down these scholarships based on the location or the different group that the students would be a part of. So let's say I'm a National Merit Scholar. So it's going to give us a list of the scholarships. Okay, so now I'm going to switch pages to do something that looks at the data from the presentation or the data that was conducted for the test. So as you can see, this is a summary of the 20 different tasks that were conducted for the University of Idaho's website. The title is right there. And so there are metrics for all of the different components that were done. The blue is the effectiveness, the orange is the efficiency, the gray is engaging, the yellow is for error, for user error, and then the blue is the learnability, or how easy it was to learn the task. So as you can see, most of the tasks had the highest scores for effectiveness, which means that I was able to complete just about all of the tasks, which is always a goal of starting them. Also, as you can see, the efficiency score was pretty high as well. So the next slide that I'm looking at is the total scores for completing the tasks using the University of Idaho webpage. So as you can see, the highest score that any of the tasks were able to reach was a 25. And so as you can see, not a whole lot of them were able to go up to a 25. The ones with the highest scores was the tasks of finding the hours that the Student Recreation Center was open, looking at different study abroad programs, and then finding a portal to use VandalWeb from the University of Idaho's website. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope that my presentation was able to give you insight into how usable the University of Idaho's website is, and was able to give you a little bit of an overview of the different tasks that can be completed on it. Thank you so much.